guys, it's Paul. I bet you've noticed that I've been MIA for the past 2 years, and I can't thank you enough for sticking around. Life has taken my wife and me on an incredible journey as we have decided to leave the US in 2021 and embark on a new adventure in Spain. I mean, it was fun and everything, but let's be honest, 2 years of no karaoke at home is kind of like a long time, you know? But we have been exploring ever since, which is the reason for the absence. We have been trying to build a YouTube channel for our adventures, which I can link here or in the description below. Now that it's pretty much been stabilizing, I decided to get back in here and check up on you guys. So the good news is, I'm finally back. And I couldn't be more excited to reconnect with all of you. I've been working on a fantastic set of videos that will be going live soon. But before that, I want to hear from you because I want to make more content. I know you have many questions about setting up your karaoke at home, and now's your chance to ask me anything. You could ask me stuff from what cable to use or what mixer to use to even setting up a camera. All the nerdy technical stuff, just give it to me. So don't hold back. Ask me your burning questions and I'll do my best to provide you with the ultimate karaoke hacks. Actually, we're going all out on this channel now. It's not just about karaoke at home anymore. We're taking it to the next level, baby. We're doing karaoke everywhere. So stick around, subscribe, and hit that notification bell because the party is just getting started. Until then, keep on singing.